Hello there! You can now use product attributes in conditional logic in WowAddons. It's a highly requested feature we're bringing in with the latest update. Here's a quick example. Imagine buying lanyards for your office staff. You choose a size for the lanyard, and only then do you see extra options like card holders, its quantity, and other add-ons. This keeps the product page clean and easy to use. First, make sure your product attributes are created in WooCommerce. Without them, the conditional logic in the plugin simply won't work. Next, go to the WowAddons plugin and click on Create Options. Give it a name and select the product of your choice. Now add the product options. Once that's done, set a condition so the extra options appear only when the lanyard size is selected. For this example, I used the image swatches, the checkbox, and the product add-ons block. I've set the conditions as you can see here. You will find all of the attributes you create on WooCommerce. Note that the logic will not work for products with fixed attributes. You can check out the documentation for more information. Here's the front end once again. If you don't select a size, the options stay hidden. Select a size and the customization options appear instantly. That's all for today. Like, comment, and subscribe for more updates.